Why do people use lightning rods? Because these simple devices can save entire buildings from catastrophic fires and electrical damage during storms. You won't believe how they actually work to protect you. Lightning rods are metal rods usually made of copper or aluminum placed at the highest points of structures. Their job is to attract lightning strikes intentionally. Lightning naturally seeks the path of least resistance to the ground. By providing a direct route through the rod and a grounding wire, these rods prevent lightning from striking more vulnerable parts of the building that could catch fire or cause damage. When lightning hits a rod, the electrical energy is safely guided through a thick cable into the earth. This prevents the electricity from traveling through the building's materials, which could ignite fires or destroy wiring and electronics. Without lightning rods, lightning strikes might cause major damage, injuries, or even fatalities. So these rods act as a lightning safety system, protecting both property and lives. The lightning rod was invented by Benjamin Franklin in 1752 after his famous kite experiment proved lightning was electricity. Before this invention, buildings were extremely vulnerable to lightning strikes. Franklin's lightning rod quickly became a standard safety measure worldwide. Over time, rods have improved with better materials and grounding techniques, making them even more effective at protecting modern buildings. Lightning rods may seem simple, but they play a crucial role in saving lives and property from destructive lightning strikes. Next time you see one on a roof, you'll know it's silently protecting you during storms. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.